So you're looking to make your own food delivery app. It makes sense. Everyone orders food through their phone, right? And the market is worth over $610 billion. In this video, we'll be covering three aspects: the restaurant, the driver, and the customer side of it. Now, the app should include a registration feature where you can choose yourself and add your details, and afterwards, the OTP application code should be there along with the restaurant POV. So, firstly, from the restaurant perspective, the ability to add your business information, adding the set hours, where your business operates, all the essential details, along with the sales tax, because those are essential for compliance. And after compliance, the order details should be clearly visible along with the dashboard, the pending order, the order details, and whether your order has been accepted, what's supposed to be done. Everything should be visible to the restaurant, along with whether the order has been marked as complete, ready for delivery, or ready for picked up. And afterwards, the order, upcoming orders, accepted orders, and completed orders, everything should be visible. And then if you want to upload a new item on your restaurant, there should be a way to upload it in a UI friendly way. And afterwards, the earnings should be clearly visible, and there should be multiple payment gateways along with PayPal or any other card. To ensure comfortable experiences, there should be a step-by-step guide the drivers can follow where everything is clearly documented, and then the facial recognition feature should clearly work along with the driver's license and the vehicle registration. And furthermore, the dashboard should showcase the number of new items, the number of new orders, and what they need to do for while they go towards the next restaurant. And as it concerns reaching the shop, picking up the order and delivering the order, and once the order is delivered, the earnings should be clearly visible and the history should be documented as well. And finally, for the customer POV, you'll be looking at the most popular restaurants, which should be clearly visible on the main front of your screen, and the popular searches should be available by keyword. And afterwards, the payment gateway, once you've added your items to the cart, the payment gateway should include cards like American Express, Venmo, or Apple Pay. And the distance from the restaurant to your home should be clearly visible in a UI-friendly way. And finally, for the active order, the order should depict whether it's been confirmed or pending or confirmed. And finally, the rating option should include a constructive feedback option where you can drop your feedback. So yeah, that's about it. And if you'd like to build your own food delivery app, then do let us know, because here at Trango Tech, we are here to build your next app.